Meditation and mindfulness are popular topics. There are many benefits to be gained through meditation, but beginners often struggle to develop a meditation practice. What's going on, everybody? It's your guy T Spice, speaker, coach, and author of the book Have the Guts to Follow Your Guts, Why Playing Is Safe is the Biggest Risk of All. And welcome to Keys. That's right, keeping eyes on your success, where we break down all of the mindset shifts you need to make if you want to live a life by design instead of by default. There's a lot of confusion around the simple but challenging practice of meditation. A few tips can make a significant difference. Here are 10 tips to help you meditate more effectively and enjoy greater benefits. Number 1, you don't need anything to meditate. It could be nice to have a proper cushion, loose fitting clothing, and a quiet location. However, you don't need any of those things. You can meditate on the bus in a 3-piece suit if you wanted to. You always have everything that you need to meditate properly. Number 2, start with mindful breathing. Other forms of meditation can require higher levels of focus and discipline. Arguably, mindful breathing is one of the most valuable forms of meditation. Simply focus on your breathing. And when your mind wanders, gently return your focus back to your breath. Number 3, move if you need to. That doesn't mean squirm around in your seated position. Get up and walk around, but be mindful in your walking. Ideally, if you can find a peaceful location where you can still focus on your breath, free from the worry of being run over by a car, the more distractions you have, the more challenging it will be. Number 4, use a timer. Suppose you plan to meditate for 15 minutes. It can be very distracting to wonder how much time is left. So you peek at the clock and mentally calculate how much time is left. Use a timer instead and keep your attention where it belongs. Number 5, be mindful throughout the day. Use a timer app on your phone or computer to remind yourself to be mindful. Set the timer to notify you every 10 to 15 minutes. Take a few mindful breaths and return to your previous activity. Number 6, meditate several times each day. Use your trusty timer again. Perhaps you can meditate for 1 minute each hour or 10 minutes every 4 hours. Remember, the goal is to maintain a mindful state 24 hours a day. This is much more easily accomplished if you meditate several times each day. Number 7, be gentle. Meditation isn't about forcing yourself to concentrate with tremendous effort. Meditation gives energy. It doesn't take it from you. Use gentle, persistent attention. You'll be more successful and enjoy the process much more. Number 8, the longer you meditate, the more important your posture becomes. Almost any position can be comfortable for a few minutes, but few positions are comfortable for 20 minutes or more. Even your comfy couch is inadequate. It's important to maintain a well-supported position with a straight spine. Leaning or slouching will create tension and discomfort. Have you ever wondered why the full Lotus position is so popular in meditation? Well, it's because your ankle bones aren't digging into your floor like they would be if you had your feet folded underneath you. It's also very stable and allows for a straight spine. Try it out. Extra challenge. But find a position that works for you. Consider using a wooden chair if you're unable to find a comfortable position on the floor. Number 9, avoid meditating after a large meal. Meditation isn't a form of sleep, and a big meal can make you sluggish and uncomfortable. And number 10, add time to your meditation practice slowly. Avoid pushing yourself. 5 minutes is a very good start. Add a few minutes each week. A long session of 30 minutes per day is a worthwhile goal to work up to. Meditation is a subtle skill that requires time and practice. Many beginners give up before realizing the benefits that meditation provides. Make meditation one of your daily habits, and it won't take long before you consider meditation to be one of your most important activities. Thank you so much for tapping into this video with me today. If you found any value in it at all, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. And if you know somebody that could benefit from the message, go ahead and share it with them. And if you'd like additional support, check out the description below or the link in my bio, because I've given you links to powerful resources that will help you along your journey. That's all I have for you today. As always, love, be well, And don't forget to have the guts to follow your guts. Peace.